welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 5 last schedule. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 5e law schedule. Here is a project description. In this project, you will manage a large worksheet and work on two workbooks. At the same time, you will also add a hyperlink to your workbooks. Here is a project description. As you can see that. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is you will have to download the Excel workbook from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is go to cell M50 and then insert a COUNTIF function to count the number of unassigned staff judges in cell K50. Type events with unassigned judges. In cell M50, you will have to insert a COUNTIF function to count the number of unassigned staff judges, and in cell K50, type events with unassigned judges. And move to the workbook and cell M50. You will have to type a formula COUNTIF. Then pass a range. You will have to pass this range. Click on this function button fx, then as you can see that the range are selected now M1 to M48, and then in the criteria section you will have to pass a staff. Then pass staff. As you can see that the number of unassigned judges are calculated now, and then type the events with unassigned judges in cell K50. Move to the workbook in cell K50. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is move to cell A1, open the downloaded file E05 judge requests, switch window, and then make your student Excel 5A last schedule as a file. The active window, arrange your two files horizontally. And you can also read it out instructions for Mac users. These are the files I have already downloaded. To open the file, this file name, this one. Here is the file request for judge assignment, and then make your student Excel 5 last schedule as file. The active window arrange your two files horizontally. Then click on the switch window, then select the file, and select this file. Then arrange your two files horizontally. You will have to arrange these two files horizontally in the Excel workbook. Click on the arrange all, then you will have to select the horizontal, then press OK. As you can see that our two files are shown on the horizontally. You will have to replace this George Gates. In cell M3, I have typed this text George Gates and then make cell A1 the active cell and skip the step 4 and then continue. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is in the student Excel 5e last schedule as workbook to cell A51, split the window horizontally and then click in any cell above the split in column C. Use find to locate the first event request from this file name and then type George Gates in the appropriate cell in the student Excel 5 last schedule as workbook to assign him as the judge. Close the find and replace dialog box and then close the E05E judge request worksheet. Maximize your student Excel 5 last schedule as worksheet and then remove the split option. First, you will go to this sheet, Excel 5E last schedule as workbook, data resist in the cell A51, then split the window, cell A51 and A51, then split the window. The split option are in the view tab. Click on this split tab. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. You can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. I will guarantee you to get A plus grades in on your every assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. Click on the find button. You will have to find George Gates. Request from E05 is judge request worksheet and then type George Gates in the appropriate cell. Student Excel 5E law schedule as workbook to assign him as the judge. Then close the find and replace dialog box and then close the E05E judge request worksheet. First we select the cell A48 Sorry, I'm 49. This one. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is insert a new blank row 1 in cell A1, type schedule of academic events with unassigned judges, and then merge and center the title across the range A1 to M1 and then apply the title cell style. Row 1 in cell A1, you will have to type schedule of academics event with unassigned judges. Move to the workbook. A1, you will have to type this. Copy and paste this. Then merge and center this. Then apply the cell style. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is create a new table style named academic team schedule. Format the first row stripe using the fill tab and in the sixth column. Click the third color, format the second row stripe using the sixth column. Fifth color, format the header row using the eighth column. First color set as the default table style for this document. First, you will have to create a new table style named academic team schedule. Then format the first row stripe using the fill tab. You will set the table style name. We'll go to the insert tab and go to the click on the table, then create a new table. Then the style name is academic team schedule. Then format this. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Statistics, MyLab Mathematics, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.